Hello, welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carving. Another quick little video here. Got a letter today. Awesome little letter, and it come with some awesome stickers. But thank you, Electric Whittler. Electric Whittler EW sent me some stickers, and I'm grateful. I love the stickers, and I'm going to put them one in my box, and I'm going to put one on my lathe. There we go. The Electric Whittler. Awesome. Thank you so much. Awesome. Thank you. You always have Grumpy support with your channel for sure. And thank you for watching my silly videos and giving me a little support. I love it. Greatly appreciate it. And you have a great day, and thank you so much for the stickers. Again, we're going to put one up here in the box, and we're going to put one on the lathe. So let me see. Whoop. Oh, hang on, people. I'm getting a little better with this tripod. Alright. I can get you right there in unbelievably a good spot. Little round stickers to go with all the round stickers. Don't want no dust on there. I don't want to cover nobody else, so I'm going to try to get you. Yeah, right. Perfect. As the Electric Whittler. Everybody go check out his channel. I will have a link in my description. Quit shaking there. Let me let go of the tripod. That works better. How about that? Alright, there you go. The Electric Whittler. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate the sticker, buddy. It looked like y'all had a good time on that fishing trip too. Alright, let's back up here. What do we got? We got Josh the Electric Whittler, Bear and the Boss Lady. That's another Josh. It's crazy. Creation Dust 77. That's another Josh. There's a lot of Joshes in our group, and we got a few more. And then we got Jordy at Carbon Fusion, Sean Pin on Fire, Perry, the Carving Creation. It says Perry's Carving Creations, the Carving Wizard. Then you got DeLand, Handmade Woodworking, Sophie Under the Bark, Robert C. Peters, Suzanne Rhinestone sticker, and another Jordy Johnson's Carbon Fusion sticker. And that crazy old guy, he's still hiding up in here. I got to run him out of here. He's trouble, I tell you. You got to get rid of him. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day. And oh, wait, we got one more spot. I forgot. Alright, y'all. Hang on. It's like motion sickness warning, dizzy spells, all that. Here we go. Look out. Alright, here we go. I have nowhere to really set my tripod over here, so this is going to be the fun part. But I'm going to put Electric Whittler's sticker up here next to Bear on the lathe box too. I'm going to set some stickers up in here too. If I get duplicates, that's what I'm doing. The originals are definitely going inside my carbon box, but then any extras are going to come here on my lathe box as well. Because eventually I'm going to try to do some live videos too, right? So I want to be able to show everybody off too. All my new friends and the carving community, creating community, because not everybody carves. There's so many different talents going out there right now. But alright, y'all. Let's see. Light's not my friend right now. Let's turn this way. There we go. Alright. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Josh. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe. Let me get back in the box here. Alright. Gonna have some more projects too that's not just roach clips. I just got to get motivated and back to carving them. I got to finish my Carbon Fusion challenge piece. That's important. Get that one finished, and then I got a few more I'm going to branch off into. And I have some different style roach clips y'all haven't seen me do yet, and I'm going to get into those too. So everybody have a great day, and thank you for the stickers. check out my description. I'm gonna have a link for the Electric Whittler's channel, and again, always I'm gonna have Spike Williams link in there. Y'all do what y'all can do. Thank you. Have a great day.
Made old Grumpy crack a grin. The Electric Whittler sent his cheer, carving sharp and stories clear. One for the lathe, one for the box, crafted joy in wooden talks.